Okay class, this one's a polygon question. That day I gave you all the exercise. I want to revise it again, a few questions. Okay, these are the questions the student made silly mistakes. Now I'm going to clarify the mistakes that you have done. This question here, they ask you to find the x value. Okay, cari nilai x. So how to get this x answer? Okay, first, what must you put the value there, class? Whenever, if you don't know this, make sure you know that now. Whenever there is a parallel line, this one we call a parallel line, and this is also a parallel line. When there is a parallel line, the side by side you plus, you're supposed to get 180 degrees. This formula you have to know. If you don't know, you can't get it right. Do you understand? So when there is parallel line, the side by side must be, when you plus it, must be 180. So if this is 70, this one will be 110 degrees, 110 darjah. Sebab sebelah-sebelah kamu tambah mesti dapat 180 darjah. Okay. Once you got this already, this one is 145. So this is also will be 145 degrees. Why is that so? Because these two lines same, these two angle will be the same. Kalau dua sisi sama, dua sudut pun sama. Okay, now all the angle you got ready. How to get the x? Okay, now you check for the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kamu ada 5 sisi. What is the formula teacher asked you to memorize? N minus 2 times 180. How many sides do you have here? 5. So 5 minus 2 times 180, 3 times 180, you get 540 degrees. That means the total angle is 540 degrees. You only want to get the x, what you supposed to do? 540 degrees, that means the total is 540, right? So 540 degrees minus 70, okay. Then minus 145 degrees, minus 145 degrees, minus 110 degrees. So what do you get after you minus all that? What is your final answer, class? 70 degrees. The final answer that you get after you minus all this, kamu dapat 70 darjah. That means the x value is equal to 70 degrees. So what is the important one here, class, that you need to know? Parallel, side by side, 180. Done. Both lines same, the angle both also same. Now the polygon full angle is how much? 540. So you want to get the x, 540 minus 1 by 1, you get final answer x 70 darjah. Now we go for the next question. Again the same polygon question, but you have to see all the interior angle first. Check the sudut pedalaman. This is 60, this is x, this is 100, this is 105, this is 50. Semua ni adalah sudut pedalaman, interior angle. But you see this 90 degrees, class, it's outside. Yes or no? So what is the interior angle? Berapa sudut pedalamannya? How much is this interior angle? Outside 90. So what is supposed to do? 360 degrees minus 90 degrees, you get 270 degrees. Okay, and I don't know, class, why some of them did a very silly mistake. This one is 90, right? 90 darjah. Is it a straight line here? To say this is 90, this is 90. Is it a straight line? No. Yang ini adalah satu sudut penuh. 360 degrees. Can you see properly? Jumlahnya 360 darjah. Is not 180. If they show a straight line like this, Okay, you can see this 60, this is 120 darjah because it's a straight line. This is not a straight line. Can you see the cut here? This 90. You want to get the inside one. It's a full angle. 360 minus 90. You get 270 degrees. Do you understand? Now, how many sides does this polygon has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So again the n minus 2 times 180 formula. 6 minus 2 times 180. So 4 times 180 you get 720 degrees. Maksudnya jumlah sudut pedalaman 720 darjah. You want to get the x1 angle, what is supposed to do? Okay, teacher show here. 720 degrees minus 60 degrees minus 100 degrees minus 105 degrees minus 50 degrees, then minus 270 degrees. Okay, so all you cut ready. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angle, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 you cut ready. Balance, how much do you get after you minus? 135 degrees. That means the x value is equal to 135 degrees. So remember class, straight line is 180. If like this, full angle is actually 360. This is the part where some students did silly mistake. Do you get that class? Class, we go for the next question. This is also from the work teacher gave you before. Okay, this is a polygon and they ask you to find cari nilai x. Okay, before you find the x value, look at the information given first. 60 di luar, 50 di luar, x di luar, tapi 80 di dalam. So what is supposed to do? You have to make it all exterior angle, sudut peluaran. So if you see x luar, 60 luar, 50 luar, 80 dalam kan? 80 kamu bawa luar, you bring it out. How will you bring the 80 degrees out? You see here, every angle there you can see there's a straight line. There's a straight line. So here also you make a straight line like this. Can you see? So if dalam 80, luar adalah 100 darjah. It's not 360. Because if you see all the polygons, garis tu lurus. So it must be 180 degrees. So here 80, here must be 100 degrees. So yang ni x, 60 darjah, 50 darjah, 80 darjah dalam, kamu bawa keluar 100 darjah. If this is 100 degrees, remember teacher told you, if got parallel line, ada dua anak panah, got 2 arrow, 2 parallel, what I said, side by side you plus 180. Kalau yang ini 100, yang ini adalah 80 darjah. So now if you see clearly class, all the angle is outside. Semuanya sudut peluaran. So now we have studied before. Jumlah sudut peluaran adalah berapa? 360 darjah. Any polygon you do also, the exterior angle total plus 360 degrees. So what is supposed to do? 360 degrees minus 60 degrees minus 50 degrees minus 100, because 100 is outside, don't take 80, the outside is 100, so minus 100 degrees minus this angle 80 degrees. When you minus all this, your final answer kamu dapat berapa kelas? 70 darjah. You get 70 degrees. So x is equal to 70 degrees. Finish. Class, now teacher go to the next polygon question. If you see next polygon question, they ask you to find the x value, cari nilai x. Okay, before you find the x value, you check the angle first. 50 outside. Okay, good. 30 outside. But 75 is inside. So what must you do? The 75 you bring outside. Sebab itu adalah sudut dalam, kita mau yang di luar. So what must you do? Straight line 180 minus 75. How much do you get? 105 degrees. 105 darjah. 40 darjah outside. Okay. X outside. Okay. All these okay. But if you look at the 230 class is not a straight line. Actually, the line supposed to be straight like this. Yes or no? But it's not a straight line. So what is supposed to do? 230 you must minus with 180. Kamu akan dapat sudut ini 50 darjah. You cannot use the full 230 sudut luar, tak boleh. Sudut luar tu mesti satu garis lurus. Do you understand? So this is X, this is 40, this is 105, this is 30, this is 50. All is okay already. Okay, but this one is 230. You cannot use 230 because it's big. You only must see the straight line. So 230 tolak 180, kamu dapat yang kecil ini 50. So you cannot look at this 230. So now, how many sides does this polygon has? How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the formula, all this sudut luar, right? Tadi yang ni 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sudut peluaran 360 darjah. This is hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 side. Also sudut peluaran 360 darjah. Any polygon also, the exterior angle total is 360 degrees. So 360 minus 50 degrees minus 50 degrees minus how much? This one 105 degrees minus 30 degrees minus 40 degrees. So all the outside one you already plus. So you check in your calculator. 360 minus 50 minus 50 minus 105 minus 30 and lastly minus 40. You get the answer for X value 85 darjah. So what is the silly mistake you made here, students make here? They use this 230. No, you have to use only the straight line. So 230 minus 180 you get 50. Sudut peluaran jumlahnya 360. So minus 1 by 1, finally you get X sama dengan 85 darjah. Class, now the last revision question. Okay, this one, what is supposed to do? Find the value of X. Cari nilai X. So when you want to find the X value, if you see the X is inside, so now you do sudut pedalaman. If it's outside, you do sudut peluaran. If it's inside, you do sudut pedalaman. So 135 inside, 100 inside, 110 inside, okay. But 80 is outside. So you want to get the inside angle. What is supposed to do? Full angle. Jumlah. Itu adalah satu pusat. Jumlah keseluruhan berapa? 360 minus 80. So you get 280 darjah. Do you understand, class? It's not a straight line. Kalau nak cari sudut peluaran, then you use a straight line. Now you want to find the inside one, the full angle 360. So 360 minus 80, you get 280 degrees. So already inside. 60 degrees is inside. But this angle, they didn't give. So, but they show a parallel arrow, right? What teacher tell you about the parallel arrow? If the line is parallel, garis tu selari, the side by side is 180. So, if this is 60, this one will be 120 degrees. Fill up the information first. Then only you will know what to do next. Understand, class? So, cikgu isikan dulu. Yang ni 280, yang lain semua ada dalam. Yang ni tak ada, cikgu cari yang dalam. Ini 60. So, yang ni tak ada. Apa cikgu kata tadi? Kalau ada anak panah, itu adalah garis selari. It's a parallel line. So, side by side is 180 plus. So, 60, here is 120. Okay, get ready. Dalam. 230 luar. So, dalam berapa? You have to find. What must you use? Again 360 minus 230, kamu dapat 130 darjah. Remember, you want to find the outside one, you minus 180. Straight line. But you want to get the inside one, you must use 360. So, semua dalam kamu sudah dapat. All the inside one you got ready, kecuali X. So how to get the x? Use the sudut pedalaman formula. So what is the formula? Again the n minus 2 times 180, right? Okay, so when you use n minus 2, how many sides you have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 minus 2 times 180. So 6 times 180. How much do you get? You get 1080 degrees. Now with the 1080, what is supposed to do, class? Minus everything lah. So 1080 degrees minus 135. Teacher cut. Minus 100 degrees minus 110 degrees minus 280 degrees minus 60 degrees minus 120 degrees minus 130 degrees. How much do you get? Use your calculator to check that. Final answer, what you get, class? After you minus all this, kamu dapat X sama dengan 145 darjah. You get X value equal 145 degrees. So you can do sudut peluaran, you can do sudut pedalaman. It's up to you. But remember, kalau sudut semua luar, you use sudut peluaran. If the angle is inside, then you use sudut pedalaman. Okay, class?